So I'm out here for an Optus customer today at Henley. Basically, in August, they swapped over from an ADSL service to NBN fibre to the node service. And ever since they went to go do the swap, they haven't had any service. The Optus has basically told them just plug into the same socket that you had your ADSL in, plug your modem in, everything should work. Now they've done that and nothing happened. They've been on to Optus multiple times over the last couple of months. They've sent out a technician and he couldn't work anything out. So basically I have my FSET, as you can see here, going down and plugging into the socket where the NBN is supposed to be coming, where the ADSL was, where they had their modem working previously. Now the ADSL service was working fine. It's only when they've gone to do the transition over to NBN that they've had an issue. Now, when they've spoke to Optus, they said, oh, well, we can see that you have a service, everything should be working, but nothing's working. So I've been doing a bit of investigation work here, try and work out what is going on, and this is what I found. So the customer's house is down the bottom of that driveway there, and you've got a little breakout pit here, and then you've got the little Telstra pit here, right? So basically, this is the customer's leading cable here. Let's get on that. All right, that's coming from the house. Now that wasn't connected to anything, but as you can see, I've got a good tone on the blue-white pair here. Let me just separate those. All right, the white, the blue, nice dead spot in the middle. That's perfect, all right? So that cable, I stripped the ends of it just to test it because I heard the signal on it, but that was just cut, all right? You can see in here, finger over the lens, you can see in here that basically it's the end of the run. It's like a 10 pair and it's just all been taped up. So I'd say what's happened when I was speaking to the customer, these people in this house moved in roughly the same time as it went out a couple of months ago. So I'm assuming that whoever the technician was here, they had a good working pair on ADSL. They've chopped her off and connected this customer here. All right, so I'd say that's what's going on. So there's a good chance that there's no good pairs in that 10 pair because this is the end of the run. Basically you've got the ocean down there. Well, not the ocean, but part of the bay. So yeah, look, this is definitely not a customer issue. This is a dodgy tech issue, and this will need to go back to you, Optus, and you will need to send out a good qualified technician to come and give this customer a line back to the node for their new NBN service, because somebody has just chopped their leading cable off to put somebody else on.